Guys, so today we will discuss about the vacuum belt or section belt or main conveyor belt of the Bobst machine A20, how to change the belt. So let's start. This is one of video I make for you. So now we will discuss. This is the machine. So this is the part where we have this aluminium bar, two bar from bottom and top. So first we remove the belt and clean the machine very well, and after cleaning we will process one by one. So you see this kit here, we have this all equipment. So now like this is the part of this the cleaning, to clean very well the machine. So you have seen this uh, hole, section holes. This is new conveyor. The size is uh, 2 meter and 200 So you see, this is the printing unit. This is our waste trench that I show you in another videos. So our waste is going by conveyor, is dusty. So there is very rare chances of the fire incident. So it's very useful. It's very good. So you try to use this. Is the instruction of the maintenance. So my maintenance team is starting to remove some more blade. This is the end area of the next to the slaughter. So we are going to remove this aluminium bar to make space for the belt. It's coming from down. So I will show you the maintenance speed also. So my guys is removing some bolts to make space here, okay, to bring the belt to this way. Okay, so now you have seen they are opening this bar, you see, and now they are removing this aluminium bar. Okay, so now they are opening the other piece, because there is two pieces. This is myself. So we have changed some AC unit, and this is the instruction of the lubrication and the more instruction for the maintenance team. The sticker is here to how to change where you need lubrication oil. So this complete details with machine, servo motor. Okay, this is the maintenance speed why I show you many times. So my team is here for the cleaning. So we are tying this belt, is very important. It's coming sometime with the belt, but sometime you need to make yourself some steps or some thing. And the one thing you need to note that the belt have finger type, zip type fingers. So here we have some extra piece. We already add. You see this, the guys. The cleaning is not too good, but we are still clean this area later, because this area is not coming under blade. So the belt will go like this way and come on this roller. Here my people have removed the aluminium bar. So just I show you. So now they give this up on the top of machine, two people, and two people inside the maintenance speed. So one guy is giving them here and one is here. So these 2 point, they will pull out this belt. See, you have seen this. They give them to the top people. So the top people will pull slowly, one by one. Okay, so see, this the part where is spoiled. Okay, you see, the spoil is already come with the belt, but the original belt is coming starting from here. So this piece is extra piece. Okay, so we are not consider this piece. So you see, here they will pull slowly, and the top people is there, and this the guy who is supervision supervise this. You see, this is the extra piece. What I show you, this is extra piece. So this is not the part of the original belt. So now you have seen, they will pull out more slowly. You see this area. So this is the top area. I'm trying to show you, but it's difficult. See here, you will see this is the original belt. This is the original belt. You see the holes here. This is the original bolt. The section hole is here. The punch. This is water jet punch. Is not done by punching machine or by hand. Is coming with the water jet. Okay, so this area, you see there is no hole. So this extension piece is just for installation purpose. Okay, so now we will check that how to change the belt. So you seen this is the extra part. So now they already get the piece. You see, this is our new belt, and this is the feeder section. See, the guy is pulling from the bottom, and one by one color. You see, this is color 1, color 2, color 1, color 5, color 4, like this way. Okay, so now see, they have bring it out, and now you see the 3 guys have pulled this belt. You see, this is the pulling belt. So if you try to put some thin type of belt or wire or rope, something to pull it out, but this is extra piece. My belt is starting from this point. Okay, you see, this is original belt, and the part of the another part is only for the pulling. So this is our feeder section. Feeder section is here. So we put, okay, so first of all, before installation, you need to put the you need to remove this section, the feeder section back, and here you need to put one steel roller or wooden or aluminium bar. It should be heavy because the belt weight is too heavy. And one another thing you need to keep in your mind, you do not get any risk the copy of the belt and the thickness of the belt. There is lot of things. If the belt thickness is too much or small or less, so it's making a lot of problems. I have did this experiences by my very bad experience with the copy, and because the weight is very important. It should be the lightweight belt, is not too heavy. So if you get the original belt, you need to scale how many kg is the belt. So you try, if you want to buy from the local market, so you try to weight, the weight should be equal. Okay, this is our robot section. So now the guy is still pulling because we already removed the steel bar. So now this is the bottom edge, and now the top edge will coming here. So now we are still pulling. This is 6 color machine. So it's very heavy machine, high speed machine. So all my team is alert, and they use this gloves. The pulling method should be very careful. Any sharp edges or any sharp thing you try to do not bring to the, you see, this is the part of extension part. So now we are going to remove this wire to connect each other, one edge to another edge. So this part, what I explain you, this is the part where we just put for the extension. Okay, now the team guy is here. Okay, so he is almost finished. If you do with the original belt like this, you will do a big mistake. You see, here is the finger. Yes, so this area is the finger. So now the guy is removing tape, and they remove the extra piece. So see, this is zip. This is the zip fastening. You see here the plastic zip. What is the bottom? When you put wire, you do not get any risk. You see, this is the stitching. Okay, it's very important part. I will show you here. The belt is different layer, so you see this stitching. They have stitched with the bottom part of the belt. The top is out, is 2 mm, the zip is 3 mm, and the stitching is here. Okay, so very careful when you put this one. For example, this is A and this one is B. For example, the A is like this and B is like this. So when you put the wire here, so the top part of the belt will be look like this and it look like this. So this space is look like 0 0. So it's very important and very interested how to put belt. So now I show you in the start of the video this part and this part. So now this hole we are putting to the belt hole. You see these holes, and both side is the stud. So we are bring to this way and this way to make joint. So now you will see here I'm also trying to help them. So now you see the guy is starting tightening, but you need to check. 2 or 3 guys have checking the tension of the belt. One guy is here, he is checking the tension. One guy is here. Do not put too much tension. Loose the belt, completely loose, and try to tight this point and this point to bring it together. So once it's bring it together, so that's you need to use the special wire. I show you in the okay. So the guy is how the what are they doing? Sometimes this edge and this edge is this side, this one is this. So they want to align. That's they put the Allen key. They put this part. You see, they have put this bar to align the belt. Oh, the belt should be one line, one edge, another edge. Edge A and edge B should be aligned. So once the zip is aligned and the belt is aligned, so we will put the wire. You see here the green part is completely match each other. So this area is going to be hide. So you see now this wire, this is the special wire. A stainless steel in the top, like thread and needle is exactly. You see the stitching is not showing on top. The top surface is very important. So now the guy is trying to make the zip. Now they are putting this needle. The needle is attached with the plastic wire. So now the guy is put complete wire and the belt is joined. You see, this is the plastic part. So one another thing is very important. This wire you cut it here from here to here 100 mm. Okay, and bend it and put again to this way inside and pull it fully. So the wire will come like here. Okay, so your wire will look like inside and here go to outside. So it's very important to do like this, and the other side is also both side. You see the guy is pulling completely. Now we are going to remove this aluminum bar. You see the wire, the stainless steel wire, they are pulling. Now the plastic will start. You see, this is the stainless steel and the plastic, white plastic is started. So you see, I make it 100 to 200. You see here, and I will make. So the guy have finished their job. So when the plastic part is coming, so now our job is complete. So now we will remove this part to open this stud from the top, and remove this one and remove this one. To bend this one again is the same thing. If you don't have space here, so you do one, you cut here and very carefully to melt it the area with the lighter or with the fire stick to make it the point of the plastic should be here. So during the running it will not going out. One thing is very important. You see the belt edge is come like this way and go inside and come like this. Okay, is the same. Belt is coming like this and making it like this. Okay, so this point is very important. So this edge and this edge is one align, is coming like this way. So this alignment is inside, this area is inside. So if there is any sharp thing or the ink dropping point, it will not disturb this. So when you change the belt, so you see this area between the each unit, ink unit. So you need to clean the ink very well and clear this area under the ink unit. It should be neat and clean. We are still this and this position, we are still working to clean the ink. Here this roller is very important to check this roller level. Okay, it should not up, not down. This part is separate to align the belt. And one another thing is very important. After the belt, when you change, okay, the important part is when you change the belt. For example, your belt is coming here, this is the belt size, okay, is rotated with the roller. For example, this is our belt. So you put one tape, 2-inch tape, and mark with the marker or with the pointer both sides. So you need to put tape here with this edge and run the machine with the high speed and check the belt. If the belt is going this side or is either this side, so you need to adjust the belt. Your team should be stay here for 1 hour, 2 hour to run the machine with the high speed and low speed to find out that, make sure the belt is running on center and there is no issue with the alignment. Okay, it's very important. So the alignment of the belt is this area, this is the bolt where you loose and tight from the both side. You can adjust the belt if the belt is going this way or the belt is going this way. So you try to this bolt from the both side, drive side and operator side. So you will adjust this bolt to bring it to the center. So this area is very important. The bolt is here, the tightener part is here. So you can play with the both side to bring it to the center. So here is the one roller. This area is the roller to control the belt alignment. So thank you for watching. Keep in touch. I will share all these tips about the conversion, corrugation, boiler, compressor, all related paper and packaging industry. Thank you very much.